Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Discord update failed loop step by step so you can launch Discord normally in 2026. First, completely close Discord. Right-click the Discord icon in the system tray and choose Quit. Then open Task Manager and end all Discord processes. This ensures the updater isn't stuck running in the background. Next, clear Discord's cache files. Press Windows plus R, type %local app data %, and find the Discord folder. Delete the update, cache, code, cache, and GPU cache folders. Corrupted update files are the most common cause of the update failed loop. Now run Discord as administrator. Right-click the Discord shortcut and select Run as administrator. This gives Discord proper permission to download and install updates. Another important fix is temporarily disabling your antivirus or firewall. Sometimes security software blocks Discord's updater. After testing, you can safely turn protection back on. You should also check your internet connection. Switch networks or restart your router if your connection is unstable. Update loops often happen when downloads are interrupted. If the problem continues, perform a clean reinstall. Uninstall Discord, delete remaining folders from %, app data %, and %local app data %, then download the latest installer from the official website and install fresh. Finally, restart your PC and launch Discord again. In most cases, the update loop will be completely resolved. If this guide helped you fix Discord, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more troubleshooting tutorials in 2026. See you in the next one.